Today we're doing a drawing of Mission San Francisco Solano. This is an old picture of what it used to look like before it was restored. I'm starting with a blank piece of paper and a black marker. You can also use a ruler if you want your lines to be straighter. First, I'm starting with the horizon line pretty close to the bottom. Then I draw a couple vertical lines for the main church, full line touching the horizon line, and then a small line, and then a longer horizontal line, like a long L. I draw the main roof.
Let's see what else is in my basket.
Then I draw another horizontal line for the roof of the corridor that's next to the church.
Bananas are long and yellow.
I'm going to mark off small areas for the pillars. They're evenly spaced here. I'm going to draw 3 here. Then I go back to the church and I make a long rectangle here for the door and a slightly shorter rectangle for the big window. Add squares inside the doors for details. And then some lines to show the window pane. On the long roof, I am doing a curved line here, trying to make it as even as possible. This is showing the tile roof. And then after I've done those, I'm drawing some short lines. And then going in to draw one more pillar. And then I am making some rectangle shapes for the windows, the bench, and then I go back over here to show the bell that stands in front of the mission. On this side, I draw the El Camino Real bell. And then I am drawing some lines for the pathway. I draw some lines over here to show that there is a tree. And then I'm making some marks to show where I can see soil versus the grass. I'm drawing some bushes. And now putting some circle and oval details on this front wall. Now I'm going back in to check my details. The pathway is brick, so I'm drawing some brick here. Then I'm going to the top of the church to draw the cross. And now I'm adding color. I'm using some different browns, some different reds, different greens, and then I'm leaving the walls of the mission white. I'm also adding some hills, some trees in the background. And then adding a blue sky with some clouds. And then once I finish that up, I am all done. That is Mission San Francisco Solano.